Bentley is tossing its cap in the ring for the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb first time, saying it's focusing on another SUV race record with its Bentayga. The British extravagance marque will enter the W12 adaptation, not the marginally less intense V8 variant that it as of late divulged, when the race to the clouds happens June 24. The brand's motorsports division in Crewe, England, is attempting to build up the vehicle for the 12.42-mile strike under the course of motorsports chief Brian Gush. They'll be working with a 2017 model and its 6.0-liter W12 motor, which makes 600 pull and 664 pound-feet of torque and goes 0 to 60 of every 4 seconds. Its all-wheel drive transmission, 4-mode customizable air suspension and its 48-volt dynamic against-move framework. A driver will be declared later. Bentley's motorsports endeavors have generally centered around GT3 adaptations of its Continental GT Roadster, which have a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 driving the back haggles discounted in June, and on unique release models like the Continental 24. So it'll be intriguing to perceive how the motorsports team tunes the Bentayga, which appeared in 2015 as the brand's first creation SUV and the speediest, most intense participant in its fragment. The Broadmoor Pikes Peak International Hill Climb is a difficult race up the well-known mountain close Colorado Springs, including 156 corners and an end goal at 14,115 feet above ocean level. This year will be the occasion's 96th running.